Nowadays, it's not only humans who communicate with each other during production. All devices working on the production floor should also communicate with each other. This small CC-Link IETSN module offers seamless and secure communication using the Ethernet, enabling us to have full data visibility at every point along the network, whilst at the same time issuing commands and viewing production reports faster than ever. We can also be sure that we receive the data in a strictly defined time. This is what we call deterministic communication. When designing your communication, you should also consider one other factor, and that's convergence. It allows all traffic to be combined and transmitted via a single medium. This reduces complexity and supports great performance. Imagine the small CC-Link IETSN module at work in your factory, delivering all kinds of information to a screen like this one. All your data in one place. Could production management be easier? That's all for today. Keep your eyes peeled for the next episode. It's coming soon.